Good afternoon, gym lads, gym baddies, and divorced gym mommies. Today, let's react to my freaking workout footage of me performing the exercise EZ bar bicep curls. So, this footage is from April 2022. 2022 was the freaking year where I lost 27 freaking kilos. I weighed at 90 freaking kilos and came down to 63 goddamn freaking kilos. And this is my hostel gym, which had few equipments, rusted ones, old ones. People say that to lose fat or to build a ton of muscle, you need good equipments, fancy commercial gym setup, equipments designed on optimal biomechanics, science-based principles, and that is not freaking true. Fun fact, this was me just 4 months into my fat loss transformation. It is what it is. People shit on EZ bar bicep curls, barbell bicep curls, telling that it is not optimal, it does not address the imbalances, it does not address the posture, yada yada yada. But millions of gym bros have done these exercises and have got good gains. So you can note that I'm kneeling down here just to reduce the axial fatigue, which is not super necessary. And you can also note that I'm picking the barbell off the floor because my hostel gym did not have that preacher bar setup or the safety rack where you keep the frickin' bar and then do your frickin' barbell bicep curls. So I made good use of what I had at that point. And as simple as that, you pick the bar and you curl the bar. You pick the bar and you curl the bar. You can also note that I'm not using a lot of momentum. It's just my biceps doing the work. It is what it is, guys. Make use of what you have and do not complain about your frickin' circumstances. A loaded elbow flexion, okay? That's what biceps does. And you do not need to use a lot of your spine and curl the weight. All you need to do is elbow flexion. It's as simple as that. Do not complicate your bicep workout. EZ bar bicep curls are great, barbell bicep curls are great, dumbbell bicep curls are great, machine bicep curls are great. And the people who say the other ways, they are just scamming you, okay? Science is not that well equipped to tell what is right and what is wrong. So do what you freaking like, enjoy the process and stay consistent. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते